pull station. And then up here we have my 392/36, and I have it on a standard 4x4 back box. I know, criticize me all you want. I know that's not how it's supposed to be, but it's there. The station on the system is my Simplex. It's a 2099. Technically, it's a mixture of two pool stations. The front of the pool station came off of my old 2099, 97, 95 adjustable pool station, and the back of it came off of my old Simplex 2099, 97, 56 dual action pool station. So technically, right now it is a 9754. And right here is my collector's controls CB636AD coder. This is really nice. And one other thing I've noticed about this thing, it spazzes out a lot. So during this system test, or during this test, if this like spazzes out at all, that's why, or that's what it is. So yeah, this is my Simplex 4903/9215 30 candela strobe.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. The school system.
I'm doing March time next. So there we go.
I don't know why it's doing that.